torture allegation is only against this IO.
This IO.
Not against any other, even their subordinates.
Even this, in the death note also, if you see this, the same thing is there. ನನ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳ ಉಡುಪುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಸ್ತ್ರಗೊಳಿಸಿ. Lady, if she wanted to investigate, she should have investigated. Where is the question of stripping or
all these things, my lord, is there are other officers.
Stripping or examining every private part of the body to see whether they are carrying any device, recording device and other.
Using powers of police to degrade the victim and then push her to this extent. I think this is a case which calls for CBI investigation only, blood. This is rarest of rare in India. It is for there is a forewarning, blood.
She is the fourth IO. We have cooperated with all the three IOs. We would have cooperated. We have cooperated with this IO. If she had that intention, not she would have committed suicide at the first IO itself.
There is a
So torture allegation is only against this IO.
this IO.
Not against any other, even their subordinates. In the first page, Malad, if I remember in the death note, he doesn't want to make an allegation against anyone, but she makes an allegation against the present IO because of
That
the
I've seen, that is there. Minute details are
And
narrated in the death.
in the second case, Malad, the co-accused, I'll file an affidavit,
What co-accused?
who was along with her as to how even she was stripped on that day. Even she was stripped on that day. Para number 2, Malad. Not only the deceased,
No, that I see in the death note also.
even this petitioner was
This,
also stripped on that day.
even this, in the death note also, if you see this, the same thing is there. ನನ್ನ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳ ಉಡುಪುಗಳನ್ನು ವಿವಸ್ತ್ರಗೊಳಿಸಿ.
Most inhuman, blood.
ಅಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟಿ ಪರೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ ಸೈನೈಡ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವ್ದಾರ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿವೈಸ್ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Any problem with the IO?
There is no problem, my lord. I must say, my lord, there is no problem.
Now we will have to file a petition for change of IO, because if this is a state, other
No, that-
petitioners also
That's a
will
different
not.
issue, my lord. They
So that's
all
all
these
right.
things we will.
Now I'm examining the
Yes,
death of
yes.
the advocate. Will see. Yes,
Not so far as,
investigation ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು.
correct, my liberty may be secured, and so far as,
What liberty?
my lords, I'll cooperate with the investigation. Now, she comes and says that, my lords, 25 lakhs and all those things is unheard of. 17A permission, my lord, legally, your lordship can examine
ಅದು
this.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, investigation ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
PC Act the
initial bar.
ಅದು
ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
there is a separate mechanism for
There is initial bar. So therefore, my lords, my submission is that your lordships, my lords, may supervise this as submitted by learned SPP. My lords, I can be taken out of the investigation. I don't latch on to any case. Your lordship, let them pass an order, superior, constitute a SIT. My lord, let them investigate threadbare. Let the
SIT.
truth come out.
SIT is a
No,
replacement
if
of.
my friend.
It is
trying
like,
to-
Lord, it is like I telling another lawyer is very good lawyer. He does not do any other.
My lords, it is not, it is not.
It is a
whom I am
one
going to
police
suggest
officer will
officer.
tell the another police
I
officer
leave it
is
to your
good.
lordships on that issue. I am only, my lords, as officer of the court, I am placing before my propositions before your lordships.
Purely, Lord, in the police
And so far
force,
as this is
there is
concerned,
lot of inner currents of connectivity. One officer will be connected to another
Of course,
officer.
connectivity should be there. In
Should
the
be there, of
force.
course. Your lordship.
That's not.
Yes,
That's not.
but
That's
that
not
will-
alien
yes,
concept.
that
should
will
force-
prejudice the investigation, Lord.
As
It
I
has
say,
to
my
be
lord.
by an independent.
Yeah, no.
This is the
CBI.
first death of this case.
Allah,
No,
the
that's
main
anyway,
case
that's
merits, Lord, we are
happened.
not concerned.
But
Main case merits.
she's
if I-
make-
Totally Bowie Corporation the scam alleged scam ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ?
Other, there are 6 complaints, total 196 crores anta we hear.
196 crores.
109,
What
6 different
we ourselves
complaints.
make a statement.
This issue is about 3.75 crores.
No, it's about more than 10 crores.
Yes,
Yes.
2 companies have
Perhaps.
received. One company.
But on the whole, it is 200, close to 200 crores.
Close to 200 crores.
Initially,
And
there was a financial allegation against some of the IOs. I must say, my lord. Therefore, the IOs have been changed. Integrity of the IOs was
In question.
in question. Therefore, IOs was
ಈಗ
changed.
CID ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತು. CID ಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅಯೋನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Blood. This is widely known how an officer comes into CID.
It's all right. But there is an allegation which is absolutely grave in the
my lords,
death
I am
note.
not on that point. My lords, what I am requesting is, your lordships are my lords, my making a submission. Lordship
So
will
this
monitor. the-
lady, if she wanted to investigate, she should have investigated. Where is the question of stripping or
Now, all these things, my lord, if there are other officers,
stripping or examining every private part of the body to see whether they are carrying any device,
Lord,
recording
it is
device
not
and other
things,
things.
my
What
lord,
is
there are
all
other
this?
officers were present. It is not that it was done only when this thing, every time there is other women and other male staff were present, they can be examined and to see whether all these things have been done
Lord,
or
it's
not.
only
done.
a frisky.
I must say, my lord, there
Not
are
have been driven.
people behind.
She would
who-
not have been driven to this extent, but for that activity that day, which
Lord,
has driven her to, her
if-
both parents died in COVID.
My lords, if the incident
is
has
alone
happened on
with her
14th,
sister, living
stripping
with
has
her
happened on
sister.
14th.
She is
But
living
according
alone.
to the death note, my lords, I have not seen it. It is on 14th. Then, my lords, she has come
Death
next.
note is not on 14th.
No, it's must be on
Frisking.
frisking about.
Huh.
Frisking ಅದು ಯಾವತ್ತು ಮಾಡಿದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know which, if it mentions date
1411. It says in the affidavit, it says 1411.
1411.
1511.
And all these things, my lord, your lordship, may say only
Subsequently, she has
subsequent to,
appeared.
coordinate bench order.
Subsequently, she had
No, no, no.
appeared.
That is at paragraph 3. There are about 20 paragraphs here.
My lords,
The narration goes on.
No, what I'm trying to point out is so-called stripping has taken place on 15th. She has appeared on subsequent dates. 21st also she has come to us. We have taken her for a spot master. Then
So
she leaves
all
the
this
office.
is-
Sir, one
All
second.
this is
Sir,
after
one
we
second.
file the affidavit
1 second, sir.
before
It's
lordship.
all right, yes. But Venkatesh, it needs an
But
investigation.
7A, my lords, they can't.
It needs an investigation.
Correct. 7A, they can't. On face of it, my lords.
I will see.
17A bars it.
Maybe the Prevention of Corruption Act ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
Just to give a good
ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
case for a prosecution.
No, no. Then legal snag comes in under 17A.
Yes. Sanction.
Approval.
My lords, we are at your
At least
lordship's hand.
preliminary investigation, not
Lords.
before cognizance.
17A.
Inquiry, investigation, everything is prohibited. My lords,
Not 306, that is 108.
before concluding, my lords,
New
I am-
BNS.
we are at your lordship.
ಅದನ್ನ investigation.
ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತು.
ಅದು
We are at your
So
lordship.
far as this is concerned, Lord, let the state government take a stand and come back before your lordships
That we will do.
on this PC Act.
ಅಲ್ಲ, PC Act ಬಿಡಿ. Now 306 investigation act.
Yes, ma'am.
It has to happen. Because if one reads the death note, it is
It has to be investigated, ma'am.
horrible.
And Lord, let the CBI report to your lordships. So and to ensure fairness.
We'll see. What do you say about
Lords, in fact,
transfer these are-
today there is a judgment of Honorable Apex Court. It is not over. I'm sorry. Second. With reference to R.K. Kapoor Medical College, not the Honorable Supreme Court has said that CBI is not a remedy for everything. We will monitor, or the Calcutta High Court will monitor. The handpicked officer is chosen by the court. Then, my lord, they say, go and investigate. My lord, that could be the parameters. It is not yet to come out in the, today it was passed. So, my lord, it is only a suggestion. Let my learned friend not say that one advocate is praising
Cases
another
where
advocate. There's nothing like
officers,
this.
Lord, in cases where officers are are at the level of inspectors, Lord, there would be enough seniority to take care of such
DIG
instances.
DIG ಮಾಡಿ.
But now this is the DYSP and he is a high officer. She is a high officer. It is only an independent agency like CBI which can go into objective material, collect this material, place it before your lordship,
RK Garg.
and then step by step go into prosecution. And Lord, to ensure fairness for either side, Lord, let it be monitored by your lordships. Lord. But if CBI does not go into this, Lord, like they were about to bury the death note at the initial stage itself, they may bury several pieces of evidence, which is most dangerous for this investigation.
Not something.
And
can be
it
said
is
off the
necessary.
record.
It is necessary that in such
Something,
cases,
my friend should
this is
not
an
make a
offense
statement
against,
like
this is an offense against public. Using powers of police to degrade the victim and then push her to this extent. I think this is a case which calls for CBI investigation only, Lord. This is rarest of rare in India. We have seen custody deaths, but driving the mental state of a accused to this extent in investigation, that death note itself is self-explanatory, Lord, and gives prima facie evidence on these issues. So if CBI can investigate this, then it could be perfectly handled by them.
We'll see. I'll pass orders tomorrow. You have any objection? To what you have objection? In case transfer, the application transfer to CBI, you have objection?
I will have to consult the statement, or I can't be making the statement.
All right, ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾಳೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. We'll pass orders tomorrow. By then you secure instructions. ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮೇಡಮ್.
As the proceedings entered their fourth phase, the court heard fresh arguments regarding the circumstances that allegedly led to the death of a lady advocate. Counsel appearing for the petitioner made serious allegations against the investigating authorities, claiming that while inside a CID office, the advocate was allegedly subjected to a humiliating search on the pretext of checking whether she was carrying a hidden microphone, camera, or even prohibited substances. According to the petitioner's side, this incident caused immense humiliation and was one of the factors that ultimately contributed to her tragic death. The state, however, strongly denied these allegations and opposed the demand for a CBI investigation. Government counsel argued that the existing investigative machinery was fully capable of handling the matter and there was no justification for transferring the probe to another agency. With both sides presenting sharply opposing versions of events, the hearing focused on whether the allegation warranted further intervention by the court. After considering the submission, Justice M. Nagaprasanna reserved orders, leaving the parties awaiting the court's decision on the issues raised during the proceedings.